What's up, guys? Dimitri is here, founder of Sellerize and 3PL Center for Amazon Sellers ASAP Warehouse. Before we get started, I just want to make sure, guys, you will watch to the end, but at the beginning, I want to give you a little promotion. Make sure when you comment under the video and you want to receive the bonus and promotional material checklist that I'm gonna give you guys, make sure you also leave your personal profile or email how I can contact you, because there's no way for me to contact you on YouTube. And if you want to get this amazing checklist that I'm gonna provide to you, please make sure you leave your comment, like the video, subscribe to my channel, and also leave your social media profile to make sure I stay in touch with you. Guys, today we're gonna talk about how to make more money on Amazon in 2021, Almost coming to the end, but at the same time, I'm gonna share with you some technologies and some ideas that you can utilize at any time. These amazing techniques that was helping me to make more money throughout all these years, and they're gonna keep continue doing this as well for you. Please make sure you write them down, you utilize them, because sometimes you just have ideas and you feel them cool, but at the same time you understand, hey, these small improvements of 3, 5, 10%, they make you ahead of the competition. So let's get started, and we're gonna start with our first tip for you guys. It's how to increase sales by utilizing the FBM offers. Majority of the Amazon sellers, they use who is a private label companies. They mostly use FBA service by Amazon, fulfillment by Amazon, which means you send inventory to Amazon warehouse and Amazon fulfill for you. Nowadays it's getting more difficult, but it's another part of the episode that we can discuss on how to make it easier for you. At the same time, guys, Amazon offer different options for you as FBM services. When you go to Amazon listing, you can see the offers and you can see the different sellers can sell your items. You as a seller, you can sell FBA and FBM offers. FBA, it's fulfillment by merchant. For this, you have to utilize 3PL services or maybe some warehouses. So maybe you run your own operations. Some people who can just get started. You can also operate from your house. You can always reach out to me, because on the first years of me doing Amazon business, I used to do it from my garage, and it was absolutely a fun journey. Nowadays we have a huge warehouse. We help other sellers as well to fulfill their products. But the tip that I'm gonna give you guys, when you sell products on Amazon and you're doing FBA, please also enable options as a FBM sales, especially if you guys sell products under $25. And the reason for that, because a lot of people in USA, they have a Prime account that help you to ship products for free. But if your product is under $25, then you need to pay for the shipping. So if you offer FBM offer on your listing, then people who buy products under $25, they will get your product for free if you offer that. So generally speaking, guys, if you have FBA offer under $25, make sure you enable FBM offer. It's easy to do. You just go on Amazon, you go to edit, you add another options, and you list your product as well on your Seller Central as a FBM offer. And once someone buys this product, you can fulfill this item through the warehouse. You can enable options like a ship station, connect to your Seller Central, and it will help you to buy postage, or just you can buy postage directly on Amazon as well. They have these options, but I find out that the cheapest for me would be to do everything myself. So connecting a ship station, and on ship station to buy postage, you have to apply for the stamps.com. This website will help you to buy. It's a company that provided by USPS, United States Postal Services. So this will help you to enable and monitor and utilize this option. So this type of strategy that I given to you, sometimes it leads to 10 to 30% in revenue based on your product, of course, and based on your location. Also, this strategy, guys, will help you to prevent your problems. Let's say sometimes Amazon can suspend your offer on FBA. Let's say some customer complain on your item and then they suspend your offer by FBA, but FBM offer will stay live. So that's why I suggest you to always keep some backup inventory on some additional warehouse on Amazon. And also what we do as well, when we have our warehouse, if something happened to our FBA offer, sometimes it doesn't mean something wrong happened to your product. Sometimes like one customer complained 6 months ago, then another customer did some complaint 3 months ago, but Amazon combined these cases, which is they supposed to expire in 90 days, but sometimes Amazon doing this mistake and they combine the cases, then they suspend your offer. But at the same time, you have FBM and you can fulfill your offers. At the same time, guys, if you have 3PL Central, or some warehouse that you deal with, they can send inventory overnight under different offer. And this information, I can give you more details on how to deal with the suspensions. And in a different video, but at the same time I'm just want to give you like this tip. Use FBA and FBM offers to make sure you maximize the potential of your offers on Amazon, and that will help you to sell way more inventory. Okay guys, tip number 2. Another tip that will help you guys to increase sales on Amazon in 2021 or any year that you selling on Amazon, it's creating a multi-packs. I call this strategy 4X, and what does it mean? It helps you to increase the cart value of customers who buy your products. So let's say you sell a product, let's say you sell a serum on Amazon, let's say it's 2 ounce, and then you want to offer a buyer a better value, which means you can sell a bigger either bottle or a bigger package of 4 bottles or 5 bottles. And let's say if you sell your product for $20, now you can sell this for $80, and by giving a little bit of discount, you're gonna give them this for, let's say, $69.99 or $59.99. But your profit per each transactions are going to be bigger because your Amazon fee will drop per item. And at the same time, you can target your products, your one-pack products, with this increased cart value item, because it's a multi-pack right now, and it's gonna help you to prevent other people and other competition to targeting your ASIN with the PPC and ASIN targeting. So these places that you guys see on your Amazon listing, it's places where Amazon targeting them give ability to other ASINs and other competition to take places in your listing, and it can steal your traffic. But let's say if one of your competition sell the same product or similar product for $20, when they target your ASIN, they have to pay for each click for the advertisement, and for them in $20 item it will be very expensive to pay for each click. But when you target your product with a $60-70 item, which you just made a multi-pack, it's the same item, you just made it bigger, then you have way more profit to sustain there and pay for the advertisement. This way you covering your placements, and you preventing competition from stealing your traffic. It's amazing option, and this multi-pack probably will not sell a lot, but if it sell, let's say 2-3 units per day with the average profit of, let's say, $30, it's another $150-$100 per day profit, which leads to $3,000 or around like $40,000-$50,000 per year in extra profit just from making this simple strategy. Imagine you have more ASINs and more products with the high traffic. The next tip is try to expand to other marketplaces. I know a lot of sellers, they sell in USA, and there's a lot of sellers who saying, hey, USA, it's a huge market, and just target USA first. And it's absolutely great advice. But at the same time, guys, try to stay focused and explore other places to make more revenue. And this could be done very easy, you know, by just going to Canadian or Mexican market. And you don't have to do it yourself. What I suggest you to do, just hire the additional VA for $300-$400 per month. Let them run these operations, let them post products on Canadian or Mexican market, or just do it yourself. Just dedicate a couple hours per week. And I can tell you from my personal experience, I used to be able to increase my revenue in Canada and Mexico by just placing one single person and dedicating her a few hours per week. So she started to send products to Canadian market. Canada actually a great place because people love to leave reviews there, and they do it organically. And if your product is good, then Canadian market is a great opportunity for you. But if your product is not that great, that I'm not suggesting you, because marketplaces right now combining the reviews. And also, if you struggle with reviews in USA market, it's also gonna help you in Canadian market, because they're gonna leave more and more positive reviews for you, and your ranking in USA will grow as well. Okay guys, it was these 3 tips for you. Please utilize them, make sure you use them. If you have any questions, please PM me. I will try to help you as much as I can, or make the comments. I will also read all of them. Make sure you leave in your social media profile or social media link to make sure, because that would be help me to find you online and send you the additional information. As a bonus, guys, for you, for those who leave the comment on my video, I'm gonna send you a checklist of my first tip on how to utilize the FBM offers and increase your revenue by 10 to 30%. Make sure, guys, you comment below, you like my videos, and I will see you later, and I will send you PM. Guys, I wish you amazing Q4 in 2021 and another boost in 2022. Good luck, guys.